to be official. All right, so the last exam is going to be 4 problems. First problem, fill in the blank, multiple choices. Second problem, deflection. Third and fourth column analysis. You got it? You guys got it?
We got it.
Okay, let me say this again. 4 problems. First one, fill in the blank, multiple choices. Second one, deflection. Third and fourth and column analysis. Let me be more specific. Deflection is going to be a T-beam or I-beam. Okay, not sure yet. Column analysis, one is going to be a square column. The other one's going to be a lengthy, like rectangular column, B and H type of column. Okay, now a square column, it doesn't matter with 1 or 2 axes, right? They're similar, right? Now, the rectangular column, weak and strong axis is going to be different, okay? Think about it, okay? Weak and strong axis will be different. Okay, all right, I'm done with my announcement. Now, fire at will. Any questions from the folks?
I have one more question.
Go ahead.
Do we know the room yet?
The room is
says
gonna
BCH.
That is correct. I have confirmed that with Jody. It is BCH.
Do you know what room number in BCH or just BCH?
The same room number we always use for Monday and Wednesday classes.
Okay. Just making sure.
I know. That's good. Oh, good.
I have another
Anything
question.
else? Yeah.
Will we be able to get our exam 2 crib sheets back sometime this week?
Unfortunately not. I am traveling right now. Cannot get to you, but you have to make your own crib sheet again. Sorry about that, Mike.
Are we still allowed a front and back?
Okay.
Yes, front and back. Front and back. Okay. Anything else, folks? Anything else? Once? Twice?
I got something.
All righty, go ahead.
So are the multiple choice and fill in the blanks going to be similar to previous tests, or are they going to be similar to what's on the final review?
Similar to exam number 2.
Like the format wise?
Yeah, think about one-way slab, right? Think about one-way slab. Think about, transverse reinforcement for slab design, moment coefficient, things like that. Not much about beam deflection, not much about beam analysis, flexures. It's more about exam number 2, right? Something like that. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Just
Anything?
making sure, you said for the column analysis, it's square or H or rectangular?
It's gonna be 2 problems. One's gonna be square and the other gonna be rectangular.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. Anything, folks? Leaving. I am thinking
I had
about
a
it.
question.
Go ahead.
In lecture 21, I was going back through it and you had 2 different equations for CS prime, and I didn't understand why you used one instead of the other.
Got you. Now, if you see the CS prime, that there's a minus 0.85 F prime C, right? Do you see equation with AS prime multiply bracket inside FS prime minus 0.85 F prime C?
Yes.
Okay, that is the correct equation. The other one might be a typo.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Anything else, folks? Anything? You dig deeper, you get gold, right? I'm here for another 5 minutes, right? Before I go, anything's free game. Anything, folks? Anything? Going once?
We have a similar problem as the homework when we had issues pinpointing the right answer. I remember you saying that
no.
should trust that. Okay,
no. For the this final exam, I have written it twice already. Okay, most of the problems are ironclad. There's no issue so far. Okay, so far I haven't seen it. So if you find something, let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything, folks? Jordan? Okay. All right. Well, let's do this, okay? I know I'm traveling, and to make up for the inconveniences since I'm traveling, I am doing another office hour on Thursday, but it will be very short, okay? So if you have any grievances, I mean, when I say grievance, I mean really questions about the content for the final exam, okay? Shoot me an email on Thursday. I find the time to meet you, okay? But like I said, the 4 problems for the final exam is gonna be, first one, it's gonna be fill in the blank. And the second one is gonna be deflections. Third one is column. And the fourth one will still be a column. Okay, 2 column for you guys. Okay, Xiang, any question from you?
Hello, Dr. Wu.
Yep.
Will the homework be graded before the homework and quizzes be graded before the final?
I'm trying. My grader and I were working together on that. So yes, we hope so. But if we don't, at least you'll see it during the weekend because that's the final day before the grade has to be updated. Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
thank you.
I have one more thing.
Go ahead.
I have on your lecture notes.
Yeah.
I can't find like an example that you did in class. It was on December 1st.
Which problem that is for? Deflection or
It was for
column?
deflection, for long-term deflection at misspan and long-term deflection caused by sustained live load.
I think we have a percentage in the sustained live load session, right? And I think it's 20%, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I was wondering if you had that on, if you will have that on file. I couldn't find it on the Canvas.
I don't know. Okay, I don't know. The deflections problem is going to cover everything we taught in the lectures. Okay, so there's going to be instantaneous deflection, long-term deflection, and also sustained live load induced deflections, right?
I found what you're asking about for deflection. I found at the end of lecture 19.
Yeah. All right. Well, there you go. Okay. Okay. All right. I have gone over the exam myself last night again. Okay. I think they're not hard. All right. But guys, Xiang, you're muted if you want to say something. Okay. Unmute yourself, please. But like I said, it's not hard. Okay. Go over your stuff. You guys be okay. Okay. Xiang, what you have?
So, looking at the end of lecture 19, you have that graph with lambda. Right.
Okay, well, I don't know what you specifically are talking about, Xiang, but I think in the final exam, right, you will be asked to calculate instantaneous deflection and the live load deflection, which means long-term deflection, and then the sustained live load induced deflection. And to calculate that, right, you think about it. The instantaneous deflection, just use the equation, right? We talked about it. It's only the long-term deflection you have to multiply lambda, which is the time-dependent coefficient, right? And lambda, again, is a function of c, right? And then they have to look for a curve for it. And in the exam, I will tell you, okay, what kind of c you'll be using. If I don't, just draw that curve there, right? I remember we talked about c have several values, 1.0, 1.3, something like that, but it cannot exceed 2.0, right? I think that's for lambda, but I could be wrong. No, that's for c, yeah. And c is, lambda is 50 divided by something, right? So remember that equation, right? So it's not going to be anything difficult in terms of deflection. It is more emphasizing how to calculate IE using ICR and IG. And ICR and IG, once again, will be given to you guys. You guys don't have to do the moment coefficient. Essentially, just trying to find which equation to use. Is the global IE or is it the local I? Remember, there are 2 equations for it. So those are the things you need to be mindful for, not calculation for moment of inertia. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yep, no problem. All right, guys. Well, I have to go. My time is up. Anything else? Okay. Like I said, if not, email me before Thursday. Ryan, you have anything? You need to unmute yourself.
What time were you planning on having office hours on Thursday?
Say it again. Sorry, Master.
What time are you planning on having office hours on Thursday?
Thursday. I don't know yet. I'm traveling. It depends on the conference schedule, but I would say in the evening time, some similar time like right now.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I will see you on Thursday if I have anything to ask, okay? If not, Friday, it is the final exam. Now, I won't be there personally. I'll have 2 students, hopefully to proctor that exam. Both know the content very well, okay? And I think they're pretty good in terms of exam. There won't be any problem, but if you have any issues, you can ask the proctors, PhD students, okay? They know everything about the exam. All right, don't panic, only 2 hours, and good luck to you all, okay? Thank you, and see you next semester, or don't see you next semester, okay? Wish you the best. See you, guys.
Dr. Wu,
Yep.
one last thing, will you send a Canvas notification for Thursday's office hours?
Well, if anybody email me, I will have a meeting that I will send notification, right? If not, I will not do that, okay?
Okay, all right, thank you.
No problem. All right, well, see you guys. Bye now.